Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to install the Debutify theme as a plugin or tool for your Shopify store. So this way you guys will be able to import cool designs as well as personalized layouts using Shopify's website builder for your online store. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the first thing that we need to do here is we want to get access to the Shopify App Store. So this will pull up all of the compatible apps, tools, and plugins that we can install or integrate into our Shopify store. And there are two ways to get there, being the Add Apps button right here and clicking on Shopify App Store, or simply clicking on the search bar at the very top of the dashboard and typing down Debutify. So most of the time it's not going to show, but let's actually do it the easy way. Click on Add Apps, click on Shopify App Store, and it's going to redirect us to this page right here, where we will be adding the application itself. So from here, click on the search bar, type down Debutify, like so. Click enter, and it should pull up all the apps that pertain to what we're looking for. So in this case, this is what we're looking for: Debutify product reviews for QA. So simply click on it, and it will take you to their homepage right here, or I should say their store page. And from here, what you guys would want to do is click on install. And what's going to happen here is it's going to redirect us to this page where we'll basically let Shopify work its magic and log into our Debutify account. So we're going to click install to make the integration happen. Wait for it to load. And here, you guys can either go through the entire setup to add the application to your Shopify store. Click on skip if you want to. And you guys are done. So this is what the dashboard looks like. So your store is successfully connected over to Debutify. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.